Oh, hey, bro, I can't sneeze on you, bro. Why'd you on that sneeze? I can't, bro. Get back, bro. You tripping, bro? Hey, bro, let's go, bro. Let's go. He tripping, bro. He tripping. Oh, my fault, cameraman. That ain't get on you. You know what I'm saying? Like, glad y'all boys read the title. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? We gonna be fake sneezing on strangers. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This video took me a little while to record. So if y'all could hit the like button, that would have been very appreciated. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit the sub button too, because we almost at 10K. You know what I'm saying? So look, let's go ahead and get to the video. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Y'all see him by the scooter? Bro, peep. He done, bro. He got dreads, though. I'm a little scared. We gonna see, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, my fault, bro.
I know you done.
My fault, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This look like a good spot to sneeze, and I ain't gonna lie. Bro, what? Bro, what you calling folks for, bro? You said what?
Sneeze on you, bro. Get back, bro. Sneeze on you. 12. This nigga
he looked like a person I could sneeze on. I ain't gonna lie.
You know what I do to you right now, bro?
Bro, what you reaching for, bro?
What I do to you
I said I just sneezed, bro. I'll sneeze on you too. I'll sneeze on you too.
Hey, bro, what the fuck shit?
Hey, bro, chill. Alright, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank. Hey, you tripping, bro. You tripping, bro. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. Bro, why they always get mad at the prank, bro?
Why they get mad at me?
I don't know, bro. Shit, wow. Is it really that bad? Like, it's that bad? Oh. Shit.
Bro, you good?
You said what?
What the fuck?
My fault. It just seemed like I had to sneeze right here. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, nah, you just over here sneezing.
Nah, it's straight. My snot is clean, bro. It's clean.
Bro, that's nasty.
See, that's nasty?
Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
That was my bad. My bad.
You good. Just make sure you don't. Just make sure you know, close
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that was my fault.
Yeah,
I'm
good.
That was my fault. Oh,
What the f***?
my fault,
wrong
bro.
with you, bro?
No, I'm saying like I just like, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like I just like sneezing on people, bro.
Nigga, you're fucking weird. Can you just go? Just go.
Bro, my fault.
Just
bro.
go. Just
I'm
go.
saying, you good?
Go.
You good?
Nigga, is you good?
I don't like how your voice is getting loud.
I don't like how you getting, bro.
You're getting too loud, bro. I'm not gonna. It's just a sneeze, bro.
Just go, bro.
It's just
fucking
a sneeze.
nasty. COVID infected. Just fucking go.
It's just a
COVID
sneeze,
infected.
bro.
COVID is real.
It's a sneeze.
Bro.
Dang, bro, you tripping? Like it's just a water bottle, bro. It's a prank.
Don't
I'm
piss me
saying
off.
this is YouTube.
He was recording?
He was recording the whole time.
Okay, it's not both of y'all.
Damn.
Yeah, it is.
For the prank?
Yeah, it's not both of y'all.
Say, it's just
my permission.
your permission. That we can use this clip. We gonna use it anyways. You know what I'm saying? What it is. Hey, oh, he talking about sue. Hey, let's go, bro. He said he finna sue me, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. My fault, bro. My snot not even like dirty like that. You feel me?
What you mean that shit ain't dirty like that? What you
You said what, bro? Why you getting loud, bro? Chill, like you know what I'm saying. Like you might as well just keep, bro. You're not gonna do nothing. So it's like you might.
I ain't gonna do nothing,
bro. Just keep walking, like, bro. That was my fault, bro. It's just, you know what I'm saying. I just had to sneeze. You was just right there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I ain't with all that shit.
I'm saying, bro. Chill, bro.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro. Hey, shit. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. It's a prank, bro. You tripping, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank, bro. You tripping, bro.
What you mean
it's a bottle, bro. You tweaking. Dang. All right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I told him it was a prank. He, you know what I'm saying? He cool with it now. You know what I'm saying? It's like, so we just be doing like YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying?
I felt that shit. What you talking about? Strive to King Kell, y'all boys.
All right, for sure. So we cool now? We cool? All right, for sure. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, my fault, bro. My fault. You good? You straight? Dang, why you acting like that, bro? I can't sneeze. Like I ain't gonna lie. This look like a good spot to sneeze at. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh!
You straight? Like you not saying nothing? Like you good? Like you seem like nervous. Like it's just a sneeze. You could at least say bless you. I'm not gonna lie. It's a prank. It's a water bottle. It's a. You said you was about to get in the shower?
What the fuck?
I'm saying, yeah, it's just a prank. I'm not gonna lie. It's just a YouTube. Well, you thought it was for real?
Hell yeah.
All right, y'all. I know y'all see them over there. They haven't seen the water bottle yet, so I'm finna get them. I haven't seen it. Watch.
Bro, you cool?
You said what?
You cool?
What, bro? My fault. I had to just, you know what I'm saying? I had to sneeze.
Bro, you cool?
Yeah, I'm cool, bro. You straight? Like,
Yeah, I'm straight, bro.
saying my. You said what?
Sneezing over here, bro.
My fault. You just look like a person who just like wouldn't do nothing if I sneezed on them. So like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Huh?
I had what?
You said what?
Bro, wait, why you, bro? What do you, bro? Where's your problem? Why y'all standing up, bro? Bro, get back, bro.
Bro, cause what you over here sneezing for?
I can't sneeze on you,
Bro, why you over here sneezing?
I can't, bro. Get back,
Bro, why you over here
bro.
sneezing?
Get back, bro.
Bro,
I'm saying,
over
get
here
back,
for,
bro. Chill, bro. Y'all
Nah,
tripping.
we ain't
Y'all
playing with that,
tripping.
bro.
Y'all tripping, bro.
Why you
Hey,
over
bro,
here
it's a
sneezing,
bottle,
bro?
bro. It's a bottle. It's a prank. It's a prank. Look, cameraman right there, bro.
Man, fuck
I
out
said,
of bro.
Bro,
Hey,
bro,
boy,
you tripping,
that shit
bro?
goofy as hell, fool.
You tripping, bro? You was tripping, bro. It's just a bottle, bro. They trip. Yo, nah, that's crazy, bro. I barely sprayed them too, and they go. Oh. Hey, bro. My fault, bro. You know what I'm saying? It just.
You could have sneezed anywhere, bro. You choose to sneeze on
I
my
ain't gonna
shoulder,
lie.
bro.
It just like that seemed like a good spot to sneeze.
Hey, bro,
Bro, chill, bro, chill. Hey, chill, bro. You tweaking, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. Hey, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank, bro. Look, y'all tripping. I'm saying it's a water bottle. I'm saying y'all boys good. It's just a prank. Y'all straight?
Oh my god, boy.
Damn, bro.
Oh shit.
Huh? You said what? My fault. You just look. I just like to sneeze on people. I'm not gonna lie. I just like to sneeze on. You just look like a type of person I can sneeze on. I ain't gonna lie. You said what, bro? I'm not going nowhere, bro. I ain't gonna lie. All right, bro. Chill, bro. It's a prank, bro. Bro, you tripping, bro. You tripping. Hey, bro. Chill, bro. It's a prank, bro. Get back, bro. Chill, bro. You tripping, bro. You tripping, bro. Hey, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. He tripping, bro. He tripping. All right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see him right there with the headphones, bro? When they get him. Watch this, y'all. Oh, yeah. It's not over. Oh, shit. My fault.
Straight, bro.
You said what?
You straight, dog?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. I
You
just
sneeze on me, bro?
my fault. I just, you know what I'm saying? Like COVID going around. I don't know if I got it.
Chill out, bro.
You said what?
Chill out.
I can't just sneeze, bro. Like,
Nigga, you straight, dog?
yeah, I'm straight. Yeah, my fault, bro. My fault, bro. Yeah. Shit. Oh, huh, bro. Chill, hey,
chill,
bro.
bro. Hey, chill the fuck
Chill,
out,
bro.
bro.
Chill,
Bro,
chill,
yeah,
bro.
playing too
Chill.
much,
I
bro.
just can't sneeze, bro. Like, dang, bro. Like, you tweaking, bro. Oh. My fault, bro. You just look like somebody I can sneeze on, bro. Hey, bro. Hey. Yo, it's a prank. It's a prank. Yo, it's a prank, bro. Cameraman right there. It's a prank. I got
play too much, bro.
You said we play too much? Dang, bro. You not going for it. What if I got them right there? You think I should get them? Wait, hold on. Watch. Hey, watch it. Hold on. Oh, shit. My fault, bro. My fault. I ain't gonna lie. I had to sneeze. I ain't gonna lie.
Tripping, man.
You say I'm tripping?
Yeah.
Nah, you tripping, bro. I just sneezed, like.
Fuck, I'm tripping. You just.
Cause I just you
just sneezed
like
on
people can't sneeze, bro. Like you tripping. You tripping, bro. Like dang, you tripping. Oh shit, bro. My fault, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just like sneezing on people, bro.
What you mean?
Bro, you gotta get back, bro.
What the hell?
Hey, bro, get back. Damn, bro, like, bro, I just like sneezing on people, bro. Bro, keep walking. Keep walking. Yeah. Oh. Hey, bro.
He needs
I ain't
some
gonna lie, I had to
milk.
do it again, bro. I be having COVID, bro. You straight? Hey, bro. What you doing? What you reaching for? Hey, bro. What you mean? You good?
Facts, I'm good.
I'm saying, bro, it's just a spray bottle, bro. It's a spray bottle. It's a spray. See, he tripping, bro. I don't know. People don't be like, it's just a prank.
And my heart is racing, don't know what to do. I'm acting cool, trippy like a pool.
Subscribe, bitch.